Alright, simple process I'm going to show you. I'm going to teach you how to touch off your tools, how to teach your tools, both the OD turning tools, boring bar, a cutoff tool, and a drill. In every instance on this, the first thing you have to do is you have to start off with a known good smooth base. So that's what we'll do. Start off, give a command. Give a command for the spindle. In this particular case, we're running some steel, so I got the spindle going at 1500 RPM. All we're going to do is take the skin cut on the face. Bring our turning tool that we're going to teach, we'll bring it over here and physically use it when we're doing this operation. Okay, we touch, come down. Oh, dang it. Did you get it? Yeah. If not, I can do it again. Okay, stop your spindle. You've got your turning tool right now at Z0. Okay, so we're going to go to our turning tool Z0 and we're going to go Z-face measure. Because we know where our tool is at, that's where we want to teach it. That is our Z0. Okay? So the next thing we're going to do once again, we'll start our spindle back up. Bring it over, and we're going to come down and we're going to take just a skim cut. Off the OD. Okay, once again we're going to go up to our tool geometry page. We're going to go to the button here, it's X diameter measure. We'll hit that. Now we have to enter the diameter of the material that we're working with. I need to find a caliper, a micrometer, either one. That's with everything, it's monstrous. Okay, so in order to do this properly, you have to make sure you got the right diameter material. Because we took a skim cut, you can't take the raw stock diameter. Looks like 20,000. So we started off with our stock diameter at 1.125 inches. Because we took a 20,000 skim cut on this, we'll drop our number down. 0.5. Enter this. It says enter diameter. greater than our safety setting? Yes. And there we go. Our X diameter is set. Turning tool done.